Hey everyone! Welcome back to Living Intentionally. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: manifesting a good man. Whether you're looking for a partner or simply want to attract positive energy into your life, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, what do we mean by manifesting? Manifestation is about bringing your desires into reality through focus, intention, and belief. It's not just wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts and actions with what you truly want. You might wonder, how do I attract a good man? Well, the key is to start with yourself. You attract what you are, so let's work on being the best version of ourselves. Step 1. Self-reflection. Take some time to think about what qualities you want in a partner. Is it kindness, humor, ambition? Write these down. Being clear about what you desire is essential. When you know what you're looking for, it's easier to recognize it when it comes into your life. Remember, it's not just about physical traits. Think about emotional qualities and values that matter to you. Next, let's talk about raising your vibration. The energy you put out into the world attracts similar energy, so how can you elevate your vibe? Practice gratitude. Start each day by acknowledging what you're grateful for. This sets a positive tone for your day. Engage in activities you love. Do what brings you joy, whether it's painting, hiking, or spending time with friends. Happiness attracts happiness. Meditation and mindfulness. Spend a few minutes each day in meditation to center yourself and clarify your intentions. Now let's move on to affirmations and visualizations. These powerful tools can help align your mindset with your desires. Try saying these affirmations out loud daily. I am worthy of love and respect. I attract a loving and supportive partner. I am open to new and positive relationships. Visualize what your ideal relationship looks like. Imagine the feelings, the moments, and the connection you desire. The more vivid, the better. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively, it's also about taking inspired action. Don't wait for the perfect man to come to you. Put yourself out there. You are worthy of an incredible relationship. Step 4. Take action. Put yourself out there. Join new groups, try new activities, and be open to meeting new people. And finally, be patient. Expand your social circle. Join clubs, attend events, or try new hobbies where you can meet like-minded people. Be open to new experiences. Say yes to invitations and opportunities. You never know where you might meet someone special. Work on yourself. Invest in your personal growth. The more you evolve, the better you can connect with others. Start reading books or articles outside of your usual preferences. Become interesting with this new information. Finally, trust the process. Sometimes manifesting takes time. Don't get discouraged if things don't happen right away. Keep your vibe high, stay focused on your goals, and have faith that the right person will come into your life at the right time. I hope you found these tips helpful in your journey to manifesting a good man. Remember, it all starts with you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below about your manifestation journey. Let's support each other in attracting the love we deserve. Remember, I love you and I can't wait to hear about your successes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep shining bright.